Can you believe we are coming up on Easter 2021? I thought we'd talk about habits. It's springtime, and this is just a good time to think about new beginnings. And with that said, about habits and how important developing good habits are to facilitating living a healthy lifestyle. And we can start with what are habits?
Mm-hmm. Well, they're things done repeatedly and or regularly. Things that, are just kind of a part of us. They just become a natural thing for us to do.
Exactly. We get to the point where we don't even remember doing them sometimes. It's just a habit to brush our teeth, hopefully, for example. So with that said, it's important to also have good habits when it comes to what we eat and drink.
Yeah. Some habits and routines, I think, would be very helpful.
Very helpful. Habits, routines, something that becomes routine. And how can we start doing that? We could start with a question. What are some of my biggest challenges, or what is my biggest challenge related to eating and drinking healthily right now? So what is the biggest challenge in the way of forming good habits, and then deciding what some goals are for forming good habits or replacing some bad habits, and then just prioritizing these habits that we want to create or replace by starting with what we consider most important.
Yeah, I think that's really good. We can make a full list right now, but we can decide to just focus on one thing at a time.
One thing at a time sounds good to me. And I came across this quote by John Dryder, I believe. He said, "We first make our habits, and then our habits make us." In other words, habits can make or break us.
Wow. Thanks for listening. Click below to hear the full episode.